Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Mohd Nabil bin Hairi from MATRIC DF220122. I am a civil engineer student at UTHM. I was given a task that to differentiate the geotechnical and geophysical technique. So, this video I will explain about the difference between the geotechnical and geophysical technique. Okay, before we go through to the differentiate of the technique, first I will explain about the introduction about the meaning for these two techniques. So the meaning of geotechnical technique is focused on understanding the mechanical and engineering property of soil and rock through direct sampling, drilling, and laboratory testing. This method helps determine the stability, strength, and suitability of the ground for construction, infrastructure, and other engineering projects. While the geophysical technique is used non-invasive method to study the physical properties of the subsurface, such as electrical conductivity, seismic wave, and magnetic field. This technique provides a broader understanding of underground structure and are commonly used in exploration, environmental studies, and site assessment without disturbing the ground. Next, we are going to our agenda that's difference between the geotechnical and geophysical technique. Okay, first aspect of the difference is the purpose difference. So the difference is from the meaning, we know that the geotechnical technique used to assess the physical and mechanical behavior of the ground, including stability, bearing capacity, and material composition. The application of the geotechnical technique is used in construction, foundation design, and slope stability analysis. For the geophysical technique, the purpose is used to map subsurface features, detect anomalies, and provide large-scale imaging of underground structures without disturbing the ground. Application for geophysical technique is used in exploration of soil, gas, or mining. Geophysical technique also used in environmental and archaeology. Okay, for the second aspect of the difference is the methodology difference. For the geotechnical technique, the methodology is more like a direct or destructive method because it involves a direct sampling and testing of soil or rock, such as drilling, boreholes, collecting core samples, and conducting laboratory tests. For the geophysical technique, the methodology is more like the indirect or non-destructive method because geophysical technique is to measuring how they propagate through the Earth's subsurface to detect change in material properties like transmitting wave. Okay, lastly, this slide shows that the example of the technique for the both technique. For the geotechnical technique, the example is the boring test and the standard penetration test. From the figure shows that these two tests is the destructive method because the procedure to construct this test is to drilling the soil to find a data. For the geophysical technique, the example of the technique is the seismic method, ground penetrating radar, GPR, and the resistivity method. From the figure shows that these three methods is used electromagnetic wave to find a data. So this three method is a non-destructive method. That's all from me. Thank you.